guys, here's my hair. Today, I just made a slime video, how to make pink slime. Here's the pink slime, and I'm going to show you that pink slime of the slime made. So check those videos out. So, you can't even see, so I'm going to make you some. Right, I'm going to fool you guys. I don't want you to get injured. Right, so. It's very pink and stretchy.